Hello everyone, in this video I would like to show you a command to access Microsoft Office like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Microsoft Access from run command right here. So to access run command, just start and all, and then you can get the tape. So how we access Microsoft Word? Let me show you the shortcut to access Microsoft Word, but make sure it has installed. Okay, access Microsoft Word, just type in Word, okay? Just type in Word and then press OK, boom. Microsoft Word is open for you right here, and you can get started. So the shortcut is Win Word, okay? Win Word right here. For Excel, it's very simple. Just type Excel, and then boom, you get Microsoft Excel open. Okay, number three is PowerPoint. PowerPoint is little bit different. If you type PowerPoint and then you get it. So PowerPoint, we start with Power P and T. Okay, PowerPoint, Power P and T. Just boom, you get Microsoft PowerPoint open. Okay, the last one is Access. Microsoft Access. So just type MS Access and then enter, boom, you get a Microsoft Excel. So you can get started to build your project based on your requirement. Okay, hope you learned something from the video. See you next time.